guys? Come on, you can come out. Let's come experience the great outdoors. Fear of the unknown. Hey, the turkeys made it out. They're hiding all together under the peach tree. They were pecking at the peach leaves earlier. Now they're like, how do I get back into my pen? Come on, guys. Let's find a way. Come on. Moving the flock. Let's go, guys. Come on. Don't be scared. Come on. There will come a day when I won't be able to get you back in. Oh, they're all going back in. The returning flock. Their first day out, and they're all going back in. Like a good little clan there. The flock is all hanging out. That's so good. They all got one wing clipped yesterday, and today was their first day out. How was your outing, guys? Was it fun? Aw, good boys.